In this video, we'll show you what to do if the brightness slider is not working on your ASUS laptop or PC. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, you'll need to expand monitors. Now here you will need to right click on the first entry and then select disable device. Then select yes to confirm. Once you have done that, right click on the same entry and this time select the enable device option. If you see multiple entries here, you will need to repeat this step for each of these entries. After that, what you need to do is press a keyboard shortcut, that is Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B on your keyboard. This will reset the graphics driver and hopefully fix the problem. However, if that doesn't work, expand the display adapters. Now here you might see a name that says AMD, Intel or Nvidia. It doesn't really matter. Simply right click on the entry and then select uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and then select uninstall to confirm. Once you have done that, simply click on this scan for hardware changes option and your issue should be resolved. However, if this doesn't work, right click on the start icon and then select terminal admin from the list. Now in the terminal admin window, you'll need to type a command, that is sfc /scan now and then hit enter. Now simply wait for the scan to complete and then restart your ASUS laptop or PC. After that, head to the search menu, type in control panel and then select the first result. Now here you will need to find this power options menu. Now open it. Now here click on this change plan settings and then select restore default settings for this plan and then select save changes. After that, see if the brightness slider works. If nothing else works and if you are using an ASUS gaming PC, what you need to do is open this Armory Crate software and then set the GPU mode from ultimate to standard. After that, simply restart your PC one last time and then you should be able to adjust the brightness manually.